How to fix Google Meet not showing participants on screen. Let's get started. First, check layout settings. During the call, click the three dots menu. Select Change Layout. Choose Tiled or another layout that supports multiple participants. Pin or unpin participants. Sometimes a participant is pinned, hiding others. Click on the pinned user's style, then unpin them to see everyone. Next, update Google Meet or browser. Ensure you are using the latest version of Chrome or Meetup app. For that, you can head over to Play Store or App Store, search for the app Google Meet. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, clear cache. Go to Chrome settings, privacy, clear browsing data. Select cache images and files, then clear. Likewise, restart the caller device. Exit and rejoin the call or restart the device to clear temporary bugs. Likewise, check internet connection. Poor connections may limit video tiles. Switch to a stronger Wi-Fi or mobile network. Try incognito mode or another browser. Sometimes extensions interfere. Try Chrome's incognito mode or another browser. These steps should help restore the view of participants in your Google Meet call. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.